I've trained every Mr. Olympia since 2009. The question is not if my program is good enough for you. The question is, are you good enough for my program? Do you have what it takes to be big and ripped?
Keep going. That's it. You got it. You're in the zone.
Last set. Let's go. Take that anger out in the weights. That's what it takes to win. FST7, big and ripped. The FST7 Big and Ripped program is an 8-week program with 4 weeks of mass gaining along with 4 weeks of cutting. The goal of this phase is to get you bigger, harder, as well as stronger by utilizing FST7 in various intensity techniques. Phase 1, the key is going to be keeping it between 3 to 4 sets because we don't want to go too high in volume. And we also want to keep the volume of reps down, so we want to keep the weight up. So we're going to be using compound movements to do that, as well as use that 5 to 8 rep range. The purpose of using FST7 for the 5 to 8 rep range is so that we can use heavier weights during our volume set. Some of the intensity techniques that we're going to be using in this first phase are negatives, peak pause contraction, forced reps, as well as partials. These intensity techniques are going to help you get past the point of failure. This is going to help you get past the point where you'd normally just give up. The cardio requirements for this phase are going to be 3 to 4 days a week at 20 to 25 minutes at about a 65% cardio max. The reason why we're incorporating cardio during the bulking phase is so that we can keep a clean bulk, which means that we're trying to increase your metabolism, increase your appetite, and also keep your heart healthy. The ab requirements for phase 1 is a minimum of twice per week. The reason we want to train abs twice per week is to help strengthen our core. We're going to need the core nice and strong so that we can end up doing those compound movements with no problems. The training split for phase 1 is as follows. Day 1, quads, hamstrings, and calves. Day 2, chest and triceps. Day 3, rest. Day 4, back and biceps. Day 5, shoulders, rear delts, and traps. Day 6, biceps and triceps. Day 7, rest.
Slight pause. There you go. Up. Slow. One more. Up. Hold it. Slow. That's it.
Oh, man. A major part of the success of this program revolves around nutrition. The goal of the first phase of this program are to be able to ingest nutrient-rich macros, which are going to include red meat, dense carbohydrates, as well as good fats. Phase 1's macronutrient breakdown is as follows. Protein, 1.5 to 2 grams per pound of body weight. Carbohydrates, 2.5 to 3 grams per pound of body weight on training days, 2 to 2.5 grams on rest days. Fats, 25 to 35% of total calories. This is a clean bulk that's going to include pasta, rice, steak, chicken, whole eggs, as well as salmon.
Squeeze, hold it. Frontmost muscular. Crap, squeeze, that's it. Squeeze your arms. Squeeze. Relax. Good job.
The supplement stack that I'm about to recommend revolves all around blood flow. The reason that blood flow is so important to this program is not only for recovery, but to enhance the roundness and fullness of muscle bellies. The blood flow is going to dictate how much growth we're actually going to get. The products were developed to go along with this training system, to maximize blood flow, so therefore we can get maximum results out of the training system. The supplements that I recommend for this phase are a multivitamin, a pre-workout, an intra-workout, an isolate, a carbohydrate, as well as a greens product. We're going to be taking the multivitamin twice a day with meal 1 and post-workout. The reason why the multivitamin is going to be so important is we want to be able to use vitamins and minerals to be able to replace anything that you're taking out during these hard, intense workouts. The reason we're taking a pre-workout is not only to create more energy for us, but we're also trying to increase blood flow. EVP Extreme has not only nitrosogene, but it also has leucine to help with that anabolic spike that you're gonna need for these intense workouts. Intra is super important, so we're adding in CellChem. CellChem uses not only 411 fermented branched chain amino acids, but it also includes glutamine as well as nitric oxide precursors to help sustain the pump. For immediately following the workout, we're gonna introduce whey isolate. The whey isolate that I recommend is Isoject. Isoject not only is a high quality whey isolate, but it also includes Igniter. Igniter helps with the absorption of all the BCAAs and glutamine that's naturally occurring in whey. The carbohydrates at this phase will be taken pre, intra, and post. I recommend a greens product for this phase because many times we're not able to get all our fruits and vegetables in. It also adds another form of probiotic that also help you with your digestion during this phase.
Give me four, give me four.
1, 2, 3.
Four partial, four partial. 4, 3, 2, one more. That's it. Fucker, dude.
Good job. Good job. If you half-ass this program, you're gonna get half-ass results. Don't give yourself an excuse. Follow the program to a T, and you'll end up seeing amazing results.